Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a tail to the end of any sound, giving it a bit more of a smooth transition into whatever you're going into next. We're going to go ahead and just carry on from that last video if you guys watched it. We have this audio clip we made. And what I want to do is do like a little ghost build up to it for half a second. You hear that a lot in a lot of EDM songs. So first we're going to activate the reverb function by doing this. Again, that's something I explained in my previous videos. And now, insert an audio track. And this audio track is going to be another return track from the reverb. So it's going to solely catch what noise that reverb is making. And then we record it. And you see how it trails off there in a little bit? That is exactly what we're looking for right there. So first you're going to reverse it. Then you go right there, shorten it up to what little piece of it you want. And now we have a little bit of a riser going into this instrument. As soon as it lets me place it properly. Just do it like that. See? You can do the same thing with anything, any vocals or any effects whatsoever. And that is how you clean up your sound by adding a tail or an intro to any audio in 30 seconds.